Hello, welcome to this video for Oceania here. So let's see what's currently happening here. So we currently have this cyclone near Western Australia still bringing this rain there. We still have a lot of tropical rains near the Solomon Islands and parts of the other islands there. More tropical rains. And we have some systems further south here. This one near New Zealand, and we have this little front affecting southern New Zealand today, and then you throw some heavy rain by the rest of today and will dissipate by tonight. But maybe still some showers for Saturday on the North Island. But let's see here some stuff. So for Australia here, we have that system there, and then this front will keep bringing some rain on Friday for parts of Western Australia, and this cyclone down here will start to bring some rain for Tasmania and Victoria and parts of South Australia. So let's see, this is by Friday, more rain in parts of Southern Australia, especially Tasmania there, Saturday, and then we'll have this front there by Saturday and Sunday, a very potent cold front. I don't know if it's cold front, but just any front. So it will affect parts of the Southern Northern Territory, parts of Northern South Australia by Saturday, and then New South Wales too, and Victoria. And by Saturday night, we might have some heavy rain in parts of New South Wales, and this will go north there, and will kind of dissipate, but we might have lots of rain in parts of Queensland too, between Saturday and Sunday, more rain parts of Queensland, and even in parts of the Northern Territory, still some rain on Monday, and on Queensland there. And then this is Monday, some more rain near the coast of New South Wales for Monday, and then some heavier rain it's showing for Monday, for late Monday, in parts of Queensland there. Tuesday too, still some rain on Tuesday there for New South Wales and Queensland. And then Wednesday, still some rain there as that new cyclone forms. Thursday, still a little bit of rain, and a little bit of rain in the south too. Friday, still a rain or two, and yeah, Saturday, still some rain, but this is mainly it. And this cyclone down there that will affect Tasmania and southern Australia will then head east towards New Zealand, and will bring a lot of rain to southwestern New Zealand. All the models are showing very heavy rain to those areas of southwestern New Zealand, especially on Sunday. Late Saturday there will be already some rain, but especially Sunday shows very heavy rain for southwestern New Zealand and some central areas of the South Island there on Sunday. So prepare for this heavy rain there. And then by Monday it will still be raining on the South Island and some snow, and then this will move north and bring some heavy rains to the North Island there by Monday, and then this front will leave, and still a snow or two and some showers there by Monday and Tuesday until it comes down. So Wednesday, let's see, Thursday, Friday. Only by next Friday we might have this new cyclone approaching from Australia that might bring some more heavy rain to the North Island by Saturday the 6th and next Friday, and then it ends here. So this is kind of far out, but by next Friday and Saturday it's more rain there. So let's see here some other models for this system on Sunday in New Zealand there. So this was the European model. So there's also the GFS here. So let's see what the GFS has. The GFS also has a lot of heavy rain and snow there for southern New Zealand starting on Sunday, and then Sunday it keeps going a little bit further north some heavy rains in much of these areas. And let's see, as you go late Sunday into Monday, it dissipates a little bit, but still some snow showers. And then by Monday, more rain in the North Island there on Monday. So be aware too. On Tuesday it leaves, and yeah, and then by next Friday, the GFS actually doesn't have this other system striking New Zealand, has it passing just to the north by next Friday and Saturday there, but we gotta keep watching it. Might have a little bit of rain. So let's see now for this system here to, on Sunday. It's another model. So let's see this icon model for this Sunday. So it has the system there, and it also shows very heavy rain for the southwestern coast of New Zealand there for Sunday, and also some snow in the mountains. And then this heavy rain moves further north. Still a lot of heavy rain between Sunday and Monday there on the South Island, and then the system moves north on Monday. Still a lot of rain on the South Island, but more heavy rain on the North Island on Monday. And then by Tuesday, this front leaves, and this doesn't go further out. So let's see this last model here, this excess model. So let's see, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So it also has the heavy rain for southern New Zealand on Sunday, especially southwestern New Zealand, these western areas there. Lots of heavy rain it has too. For Monday, the system moves north, and more heavy rain for the North Island there for Monday, and still some rain and snow in the South Island. By Tuesday, still has a rain shower or two, but nothing big. And by next Friday and Saturday, it doesn't have any more cyclone there. So the European model was the only one showing the cyclone there next Friday and Saturday. But we gotta keep watching it. Let's see the snowfall forecast. So in the next 24 hours, so I'm recording this on Friday, June 28th. So next 24 hours will be until Saturday. So let's see, next 24 hours shows a little bit for the South Island. Next 3 days, it shows more snow for parts of the South Island. And next 5 days, more here. So let's see. Some in some southern areas here, but mainly in these mountains, more snow here. And always be careful when you have snow with like slippery roads on the mountains. Yeah, roads with ice and snow. The New Zealand Weather Service always has some warnings for slippery roads there, when there's snow. So be aware too. So this was the snow with that model. Let's see what the European model has for the snow. So next 12 hours it shows a little bit on the South Island. Next 24 hours it shows more. Next 3 days it shows more there for those areas of the South Island. Let's see. Next 5 days it shows even some in parts of the North Island there, some of those slopes and mountains, and it shows a lot for the South Island in many areas, a lot of snow there. So be aware. And if you're watching from Australia, it also shows a little bit of snow for parts of Victoria and New South Wales, especially for some mountain areas there. And even for Tasmania, there too a little bit. So let's see. And the GFS for this also has a lot of snow there for the South Island and some in the North Island. So be aware of the snow too. Let's see some wind gusts. So this is Friday, Saturday. So we might start having stronger winds by late Saturday in the southwestern portion of New Zealand. When this approaches by Sunday, morning we already have some gusty winds there and very strong winds there in parts of southwestern New Zealand, up to 79 kilometers per hour. And as we go through Sunday, more strong winds there, especially in the mountains in southwestern New Zealand. And then later through Sunday, more strong winds in central parts of the island there. So let's see, these shades of blue here shows potentially up to 107 kilometers per hour in these light blue areas, 190, 107, and even 108, 112 in some areas. So be aware there, very strong winds. This is like Sunday afternoon or something, so be aware. Let's see, by Sunday night, still some strong winds there, and going into the North Island too. So Monday, still some stronger winds on the North Island on Monday, especially early on Monday because the strong winds would then leave later. And these blues and purples here like some 80 kilometers per hour. These yellows 53 here, through Auckland 52, 16 kilometers per hour. Sorry if I said miles, this is kilometers per hour. And let's see, later on Monday, still some strong winds there. And then these strong winds traverse like those parts of the North Island there. Potentially some 60 kilometers per hour winds, 65 kilometers per hour. And these purples here like 70, 80. These light blues are like even 90 kilometers per hour there. So be aware for Monday. Let's see, as we go through Monday, those winds leave and maybe still some strong winds in the ocean there and some gusty winds parts of the North Island for Tuesday. So yeah. And then as this other system comes, maybe stronger winds by Friday, but the Europeans is the only one showing that other system there. So let's see here. For Australia, if the stronger winds, so we have some stronger winds in the ocean, parts of Western Australia and Central Australia there now, and especially on Friday, we might get some stronger winds in Tasmania. Those pinks and purples are, I think, are like 59, 60 kilometers per hour in some areas. The scales down here actually. And let's see, Saturday, still some stronger winds there in Victoria too. And let's see, Sunday, Tuesday, yeah, this is generally it. Maybe gusty in parts of the north sometimes, but nothing big. So let's see here. What else we have for Oceania? So in terms of wind, let's go through these days here in the other islands. So that's French Polynesia, that's like Kiribati, Fiji, Tonga, Vanuatu there. So let's see, some gustier winds in French Polynesia and the Cook Islands. And let's see, Saturday, Sunday, and by Saturday even some stronger winds there in French Polynesia. It shows like 40 kilometers per hour, 60, 59, 60 kilometers per hour winds. So might kick up some big waves there in French Polynesia. Be aware, Saturday, Sunday, still some strong winds, especially in those southern islands there, up to more than 60 kilometers per hour wind. So be aware, this is by Sunday already. Monday, still some strong winds there, like 40, 50 kilometers per hour. Tuesday, Wednesday, still kind of gusty, but better by next Wednesday and Thursday. Friday, yeah, let's see here for these other areas. So Friday, maybe gusty winds near the Solomon Islands or some areas, but nothing big. For Saturday, it shows a little bit stronger there near Vanuatu in the Solomon Islands. For Sunday too, in Fiji, maybe in the coastal waters, some stronger winds. Let's see, Monday, nothing crazy, just like some 40 kilometers per hour winds in some areas there of these islands. So yeah, nothing crazy. Let's see here. Some rainfall now. What is more interesting? So let's see. The rainfall accumulation for Australia in the next 5 days shows for the Northern Territory, for parts of Queensland and New South Wales, Tasmania more, Western Australia, and up here for Papua New Guinea, mainly in the ocean, but there are lots of areas of accumulation. Here's Solomon Islands more, some spots with more, up to 137 in some spots, 60, 50, yeah, more rain there. Let's see, these islands here, a little bit of rain in Fiji, just a little bit more in the eastern islands. And it has this batch of very heavy rain here, but there are no islands out there. But might have more rain in parts of Tonga in the next 5 days. So next 3 days already have more rain. The next 24 hours, nothing. Next 3 days, more rain in Tonga. The next 5 days, even some more there. So let's see. French Polynesia is mainly fine, just some showers it shows, but some western areas a little bit more potentially. Down here, this is, I think, Christmas Island or the island of Chile there, some rain. And there, the Pitcairn Islands, maybe a shower or two, but nothing big. Let's see. Right around the tropics there, Marshall Islands might get more rain in some areas there. So this will be around 40, 50 accumulation, 60 millimeters. So let's see. More rain for Papua New Guinea, especially Western Guinea there. Shows those pink areas more than 179 millimeters. And even some isolated spots here up to 154. Some areas there more rain. Let's see. Some areas there like 77 millimeters of rain. Micronesia, this is Micronesia, I think. So let's see here. This is Guam, I think. Like 26 millimeters of rain, nothing big. Further south in Micronesia, some more rain into the 60s and 70 millimeters in the next 5 days. And let's see. Good. Around these other islands here, some showers. And this is mainly it. Kiribati here, more showers further north, but maybe a shower or two in the south. And yeah, this is mainly it. So let's see if there's something else here. Some temperatures maybe. It's in the high 20s there in the Solomon Islands. In the 20s around these tropical islands. Let's see here. A little bit hotter in Northern Australia there, especially during the hottest time of the day. Shows even 30, 33, 26, 29, 30, so hotter there in Northern Australia. The maximum highs in Southern Australia will be like 9, 10, 15 degrees. In Tasmania too, like 10, 7 degrees, the high temperatures. And for New Zealand it's very cold, so this is like in the middle of the day. It already shows like 4 Celsius, 0 degrees, 2, 7, 0, 7, 6, 7, 11 in Auckland. Let's see. So this is during the day, so I wonder what during the night looks like. So this must be like the coldest part of the night. So it shows lots of negative temperature, especially in the mountains, high in the mountains, like -6 Mount Cook, let's see, -1, -2, 0, 1 degree, 2, 4, yeah, very cold. Let's see, 5, 11, so be aware of some frost too and stuff. Let's see, this Friday, Saturday, it remains cold there. So like less during the day, so during the day might look like this, but later at night it shows like very cold there. 1, -1, -6, yeah. Let's see for Sunday, still cold. Monday, and for Monday it shows even more colder temperatures there. Let's see. So -2, -3, -5, yeah. And up here north, especially in these mountains, it might get you like 1 degree, and a little bit warmer further north. So let's see. Tuesday, still cold, and this is like during the day, still cold during the day. Wednesday, and look at this for Wednesday. It will get way colder next week. It will be like negative degrees in most of the South Island. So let's see, -4, -3, 0, 5, 2. So this is next Wednesday, and even some 0 degrees in parts of the North Island. Auckland at 5. So this is actually, yeah, this is during the night, I think. Let's see, during the day, still cold, but a little bit less, and then during the night, very cold in the whole island, and in the North Island too. So Friday, not as cold as Wednesday and Thursday, but still cold. And let's see. So for Southern Australia, during the coldest part of the night, it might be like this in New South Wales, around -1, -1 in Canberra, -2 in some areas, -1, 0 there. Further north here, like 0, 2 in some areas, 4, 6. Further north a little bit better, into the 20s even. But in the southwest here, 8 degrees, 12, 7. So this like during the night. Friday, a little bit less it shows, but Saturday during the night, a little bit less it's showing than this night. But Sunday it shows colder there for these areas of New South Wales and Victoria, -4 even in some areas. Let's see. Monday, cold. Wednesday, very cold, and it shows colder in Victoria too on Wednesday in many areas there. So in South Australia too, 0 during the night there, and even all the way into the southern North Territory, like 2 to 3 degrees. So very cold. Let's see, Thursday, still very cold. Friday, still cold. Saturday, yeah. So it's winter. It will be cold. Let's see. And for Tasmania here, it shows relatively fine for Friday, but Saturday like some -1. Sunday, let's see. Sunday a lot colder for Tasmania on Sunday. Into Monday too, like -4 even. Tuesday, -3, 0, many areas of Tasmania. Wednesday a little bit colder, but not much. Thursday, very cold too. Friday, yeah, and this is mainly it. So let's see here some things. Temperature warnings. So we have some wind warnings in the Solomon Islands. We might get a lot of warnings for New Zealand soon on Sunday because of that system. And let's see, it shows some frost advisories for Southern Australia, some wind advisories there in New South Wales near the coast, some wind advisories there, and Tasmania too. And this area of New South Wales, Victoria and Tasmania tends to get a lot of frost at night, so be aware too in many areas. And this is mainly it, I think. Stay safe.